Welcome to a RoboDemo case study of an Irish SME carried out by the RoboDemo team and led by the Centre in Ireland's northwest. First, some background to this use case. The company is a very well established tool-making company in the northwest of Ireland and have expanded recently into contract manufacturing of medical device components. The company reached out to the Centre to evaluate whether or not robotics in certain processes within their new facility could be feasible. Common pain points for many SMEs, including this one, was firstly to understand how robotics could be applied in their production from a technical perspective. Secondly, what the true total cost of ownership of such a system would be and what the true benefits would be. And thirdly, what supports and upskilling would be required to procure, implement and maintain such a system in the live and highly regulated production environment that is life sciences. The team began analysing the technical feasibility through the use of CAD software to build a concept robotic solution. Through iterations of CAD concepts and simulations, a final concept design for this use case was reached. A collaborative robot, or cobot, combined with a safety scanner was deemed a good fit since the application had no major risk of injury to do with force, speed or product handling. Thus, the scanner could be positioned in a way that ensured no blind spots of the safety system. Additional processes were incorporated into the station, including a vision system and a component cleaning system. While this added some extra cost, it allowed significantly better utilization of the robot, and thus a better potential for return on investment financially. Finally, by better utilizing the robot's own hardware, such as the master controller, the pendant or HMI, I/O and networking capability, costs could be kept at a reasonable level without compromising on the client's needs. Simulations of the concept were extremely important in order to ensure technical and operational feasibility. Here we can see the robot is placing the product into one of the secondary operations, which is cleaning and then drying with air the product. Upon completion of this process, a quality inspection is done using a vision system. The collaborative robot is open with no guarding, and this aids the operator loading and unloading of product into the system. The robot's controller, which is located underneath, communicates with the CNC machine, which is located behind the robot in this situation. And what this allows is that when a cycle is complete in the CNC machine, the robot can load a new product and unload the previous product, made possible by dual grippers on the robot head. The simulation in this case was extremely important because while it was obvious that this would be technically feasible, since machine tending is a common use of robotics, it was not immediately clear whether it would be operationally feasible, and one could have made the mistake of only including CNC tending in this concept. Thus, simulation has proved its value. Calculations showed that the solution could offer over €10,000 in annual savings. Using well-established accounting techniques around capital investments, the calculations showed the investment would be worthwhile, particularly if there was increased production demand over time, and also by leveraging the grant funding available to support the adoption of robotics in SME environments. Moreover, the benefits aligned well with Industry 5 priorities of people, profit and planet, the 3 Ps. The proposed solution, we can see in the previous slides, helped the company to sustain profit as well as reduce waste, which of course is good for the planet, and of course to help with regional prosperity and indeed individual growth of employees through upskilling. The outcome of this case, from the client's perspective. In summary, the client was extremely happy with the outcome of the works completed in terms of robotic analysis. It allowed the client to get comprehensive insights to make informed decisions going forward. Thanks to RoboDemo, the AIM Centre was enabled to provide a valuable service to its SME client in the northwest of Ireland.